Hello guys, welcome back. Today we'll learn how to add friends in Garena Free Fire MAX. First, tap the friend icon. When you're on the Game Friends page, click Add Friend. You can set up filters like language, modes, gender, and active time, or search by nickname. To invite someone, tap the plus icon and the request is sent. You can also manually search for a friend, and if they invite you, you can accept it. Now I'm friends with that person. To input a nickname manually, tap here, type a name, and click OK. Then you can find and invite that player. When you check your friend list, you'll see the person who invited you. You can also find platform friends from external apps like Line. That's all. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.